Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new folder in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the heart button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the create new folder button. So first you have to name your folder. So just type in anything you want. And then you can set the folder to be shared or public. So if you want to enable, then just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns green, the folder option is set to shared, and you can do that with public as well. And if you're done, just click on the done button at the bottom of the page, and then the folder is ready. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.